This video will provide you a step-by-step guide on how to plan your class schedule using self-service. First, you will need to log into self-service and head over to the Plan and Schedule page. Once you are on the Plan and Schedule page, you should find several courses listed here on the left-hand side. If you did add courses but do not see any listed, please double-check that you are in the correct semester and year. You will need to use the left and right-hand arrows to get to the correct term. Please do that now. Once you are in the correct semester and see courses listed in the left-hand side, you will want to scroll down and click on View Other Sections for one of the planned classes. This lets you explore all of the available sections for that class in this specific semester. Here's what you'll see. First, you will see a quick visual guide that shows where these sections show up on the weekly calendar view. You will also find that when you hover over a section on the left-hand side, it highlights it on the calendar view. Please be aware that there are several pages of sections. So if you want to see more course offerings, use the left and right-hand arrows. Once you find a section you like, great! You can click on it either from the list on the left, and then selecting Add Section, or you can select a section by going to the calendar view and clicking on the course prefix, number, and section, and then hitting Add Section. As you add sections, they will remain visible in the left-hand list and in the calendar view. You can then keep adding sections for your planned courses on this left-hand side until you feel good about your schedule. You will follow the same process of clicking View Other Sections, looking at the calendar view to see which one you like with your schedule, clicking on the class, hitting Add Section. If you need to make a change to your schedule, no worries. You can click on the X in the calendar view if you want to remove a specific section. So if you want to change the day and time or the instructor, you can go over here to the side, click on this X, and English 101 will remain as a class on this left-hand side. You can then go back to View Other Sections and scroll until you find another section that you prefer better. If you want to remove a class entirely from your schedule, let's say you don't want to take Math 133 at all, you can click on the X on the left-hand side to remove this class from your planned classes. So as we can see, Math 133 was removed from my calendar, and it was removed from my list of planned classes. Sometimes, if you pick several sections of the same course, you will find duplicates if you decide to delete one later on, and you will see that you have 2 English 101s in your schedule. If you find duplicates of a class, you can simply find the one that does not have a section attached to it and delete any and all duplicates that you find until only one remains. Once you have added sections for each of the classes you have listed on the left-hand side, you can double-check how many credit hours you currently have planned by looking at these numbers up top. So I can see that I have planned 16 credits. Since that is in between the 14 to 18 credit hour range, I can know that I am on track with my 4-year graduation. However, since these classes are only planned and I am not enrolled in these classes, please remember that as of right now, you are not registered yet. Since these classes are not locked in, that means that your courses and sections that you have selected may change by the time that you go to register. You will need to log back into self-service and officially register for these classes on your designated day and time. If one or more of your selected sections gets full, no worries. What you'll do is remove the filled sections and simply go back to View Other Sections to see what is still available and pick from those. A really easy tool is to use the filter sections. This gives you filter options for the specific sections of classes. So if you want to see only classes that still have availability and still have seats in them, you will go to Availability, Open Seats Only, and now it will only show you sections that have open seats. You can also use any of these other filters to limit the sections that you see.